Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for you, we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm gonna start with today's morning show. Alright, after the heroics of the Arsenal players yesterday when they beat Real Madrid 2-1 and 5-1 aggregate score. So Bukayo Saka, when he got the talk for the press conference and interviews when he do, he said, I believe we can win the Champions League. Bukayo Saka was an Arsenal player, they very confident. Say yes, this is Arsenal's time to shine because Fabrizio Romano carried the story. Bukayo Saka, I believe we can win the Champions League. I think we can really do it. And really, this is about share that sentiment because based on say we don't beat Real Madrid, that fear factor now is gone. Anybody where they come again, we don't send them. It is that you beat us or we beat you. And we don't show the whole world now because now the eyes of the world is on Arsenal. They don't say Arsenal no be team where you go play with. They're good on their own. Regardless of say Magalhaes no their team no complete. They still have one of the best defense in world football. So she what you want if you have a PhD na Kravashela, she ain't get speed pass Mbappe. Abishina Vinicius say like the type of quality of attack where PSG get, now be the type of quality of attack where Madrid get. So what's the work for the fear there? So we should get players. We don't even play them before, so we know what they fit do. Even though Kravashela no play that one, but Dembele no play that one, but we still know what they are capable of. Yes, and this is why you should understand the reason we make people they play 10 men behind the ball against Arsenal, play low block against Arsenal, because when you come out to come and follow Arsenal and play, 8 out of 10 times you are going to suffer. There will be some exceptions to the rule. So okay, some people will see come as I come follow Arsenal, drag and say okay, one come as I come play, but they will still get the better of us, maybe counter attack or what have you. Now you understand why the likes of Man City, Man U, Chelsea, Newcastle, all these teams, West Ham, why they set up 4-5-1 against us, 5-4-1, play a low block. Because if you come as second play, we will have acres of space to hurt you. So don't see how the team they go now. Look at what we did to Sporting Lisbon. We come as I said, don't follow us play, they collect. PSV want to follow them play, they collect. Yesterday was one of the best days as an Arsenal fan for me. I was like really happy. All right, so away from that, so today is the birthday of Helen Ngozichukwu Onyebara, who is 4 years old today. So now the daughter of one of our senior man, Kinsley Uche. So we wish you all the best things life has to offer. Long life, prosperity, and success will be your portion, my dear, in Jesus' name, and inshallah, amen. So enjoy your day, flex way. All right, so when you check social media, people go the para. Hi Chief Ogbago say Ramotanda, close roof, inspiration video. I will do it 10x if I have to. See you at Madrid. Ceballos is back. Once we got in the bus in London, the word on everybody's mouth was Remotanda. We believe on Wednesday we can do a comeback. It is our history. Remotanda. See you on Wednesday. We are waiting for us. At the end of the day, how he end? How he end? Nobody believed it. In fact, me say I never believe so we'll go there go win. I was like thinking, okay, we'll go there, get a draw. My prediction was even 1-1. So go there, get a draw, and Arsenal qualify. But Arsenal went there and did the undoable. You know what it means to beat Real Madrid home and away, 5-1 aggregates. Like the way we play, I don't think this Real Madrid don't ever experience this type of dark arts defense. We know they give teams chance to wipe shots. You see why? I think it was Sky Sports that dropped that statistic. Say Arsenal know they give teams chance to shoot. Arsenal they average like 2.6 shots on target a game. What they give opposition. So ISIS where you go see that 2 shots in the whole game. How many shots on target Madrid get for that match? First half they had no shot on target. For you to know say the defensive structure and stability of Arsenal cannot be matched by anybody. You see this team, what you just remember for this team Arteta don't build. Now one main striker, just one. Our defense is on par and challenge anybody in world football. Our midfield is still one of the best. Even though they say okay, maybe Thomas Partey one thing. It is still one of the best. And when you now add Zubimendi to that, imagine Thomas Partey does not leave. Rice day, Jorginho goes, Odegaard day, then Zubimendi joins, Baba. If you everywhere else stew now, you don't mind. So the what's it just remember that attack get this Gyökeres. Everybody go dey collect. Next season go be banger. Now me I get confidence. I know they fear people say CHUKS dey hype pass now. If I don't hype them, now you go hype the wine. Yesterday I was very very proud, like very very happy. Now my Skelly can they explain why Bellingham refused to shake his hand. They come dey ask and say, what's happened? Why Bellingham no shake? Because say he beat Bellingham. Then they ask Bellingham, how far now? When the Romotanda now? Because Bellingham for press conference they talk say Romotanda. They come ask how far? Where is the Romotanda? Where is the comeback? Bellingham come vex. He no gonna shake his hand. So that one say he did. Now on our time, make gonna shine again. So they say Declan Rice was fuming at Thomas Partey. Yes, Thomas Partey said he lose guard. He lose guard beforehand. You're not supposed to allow Rudiger to trigger you, make go collect yellow card, because you know say when you collect that yellow card, you are going to miss the first leg of this PSG, and that first leg now for Emirates Stadium it will be. Now we will rely on Jorginho, but I believe Jorginho will step up. Yes, I don't think we'll have any issue. He's going to step up the same way Jacob Kivior don't step up. So that one another thing. Well, you don't have to say you don't qualify. Now away from that. All right, so Mikel Arteta can they explain say before the match where they even play yesterday, saying call Pep Guardiola, full and talk. And me, I believe say waiting go call Pep now, say make Pep tell him say because Pep don't play Real Madrid many times. So what will be the secrets? How you take approach this Real Madrid game? Again, let me know what they solve. So nobody Arteta talk about me, just they use my head, they calculate 1 + 1 = 2, say no, Arteta go ask and say how far this Real Madrid, how you take approach them, which tactics be the best, you get? Because Arteta said, I called him this morning because if I'm here, it is thanks to him to a great extent. Say for us to survive this in Madrid, say thanks to Pep Guardiola again. He has been a big inspiration to me. I lived 4 amazing years with him, and I'll always be grateful to him. Without him, I wouldn't be here. Yes, so Arteta said they're very, very humble and very happy. In fact, at some point, Arteta said this is the first time when they enter the dugout for Real Madrid to be a coach there, and this have experienced the atmosphere. Now, so many historical data when they come aside. Real Madrid have lost a Champions League quarter-final tie for the first time in 21 years. Courtesy Arsenal runner. In fact, people are going to bring arguments say the reason they make Real Madrid win the Champions League 15 times is because they never face Arsenal. So if to say they face Arsenal, therefore no fit win that thing 15 times. Say now God just do it for them, say they no beat Arsenal. To say they meet Arsenal, say they go don't come out. Imagine 0 shot on target for Rodrigo in 2 games against Arsenal. These are the statistics. That is why when I talk, say Rodrigo no be threat. Some people say Rodrigo is one of the best players at Real Madrid. Fear Rodrigo is dangerous. Person will score 1 goal in 17 games, that won't be threat. Against my Skelly, you know if you do nothing. No 1 shot on target. Nothing. And you want to win the Champions League? Arsenal at the last bus stop, you just say, oh yeah, I'll stop here. Now, because at that time when they talk to Carlo Ancelotti, tell him, say, in hope, say Arsenal will win the Champions League because Arsenal really did very well. So myself, are they happy? I would say all our fans would think of Arteta when they talk. Okay, remember say Arteta talked before the game that we are going to do our talking on the pitch. We don't have time to come and be doing a banter of words on social media. And at the end of the day, they delivered. According to Fabrizio Romano, the Arteta said yes, they will do it, and they did it. Now, people like Thibaut Courtois say Arsenal were better than us. That's why they were true. This Thibaut Courtois, I believe, is going to be the man of the match for Real Madrid in both legs, because if not for him, Madrid for pack and go out, like if for plenty, and he just make them just escape. Dennis Ceballos also talks say we lacked football, we lacked intensity, we weren't competitive, we didn't win duels. Arsenal were superior. QED, no arguments. This Dennis Ceballos actually don't play for Arsenal before, so you know as they go again. So instead don't clarify, say I'm on Arsenal, I'm on them good die. Now Declan Rice when they talk say when he won't sign for Arsenal, he himself get the feeling. Say Arsenal were on an upward trajectory. He said the manager of Arsenal is unbelievable. I feel we can do special things in the next years with this coach and the mix of players. This is where Andrea Berta and Josh Kroenke is going to come in, bring money for us to sign players to fill up the gaps where we have gaps, especially the striking department and the wings. You get. So now we want to see. Now Thibaut Courtois when they complain, when they criticize and say a lot of tactics, say instead of putting in a lot of crosses, maybe we need to play some team football, because when you watch that match, I don't know whether I observe. I said it, I think it was in the halftime analysis show or the full-time analysis show, that Rudiger at some point became the number 9 for Real Madrid. They come, they do cross and not, cross and not, cross and not. They see whether they go enter. Then they forget, say, for England, where we did, they will be number 1 set piece masters. So you won't come use set piece for set piece masters, and you think say you go survive. Baba, go pussy now. It go pussy. We let them know again. Say against Arsenal, you said think. When was the last time teams play against Arsenal use tiki taka back, break Arsenal, go score? It is a rarity. You know they come on. Because the way Arteta structured this, Arteta 100. All those people in the chat that Arteta baby coach, how far? How far now? This is the baby coach. How far? But the town has something now. How far now? Clear me now. Baby coach. 100. Give her flowers. 100. No cap. 100. Any day, anytime. So, for reason why look post say Arsenal heroes at the Bernabeu. Every one of the players that played yesterday were heroes. They deserve every accolade. They deserve all the flowers and compliments. They did us proud. Look at Kivio becoming prime Magalhaes from nowhere. Where Kivio they get this ginger? Like, I don't really understand. Apart from that lapses of judgment, so Saliba get, like Saliba should have looked at his shoulder to know Vinicius Junior was coming. Apart from that, Saliba did no wrong. Man, yesterday was a very proud day to be an Arsenal fan. One of the days where we say, we will look back, we'll say, 100. You see people now, they apologize to Arsenal. Most of what this point, you say, Madrid go beat us. If anybody can read this, Madrid, people are apologizing. Ruth Ferdinand is apologizing. Gabriel Gonao is apologizing. People are apologizing. That's so it be, because they are underrating us. If not be referee officiating for the EPL, AJ, Arsenal gonna win. Okay, look at Maka when they praise Real Madrid. Maka now they talk say there are no miracles if you play at nothing. Miracle no be cho. You got show working. If you don't show the working, how will the miracle come? Because Madrid they say the remotanda. The people where they do the remotanda now during the days of Ororo, CR7. Now then they do remotanda. Now then they do comeback. Those days, Benzema there. Now them, who do be then this one? Say Vinicius Junior. Baba, don't say Madrid no good though. Don't get me wrong. Listen, I've been Madrid supporter. Madrid good, but Arsenal made them look like shit. Because why? The major strengths where we get now our defensive stability, the defensive structure where we get. Now it make us who we are. That is our core value. And another thing we need to understand is say we are good defensively not because of the back four and Raya, because of what Martinelli and Bukayo Saka is doing. Come back to help out the fullbacks. Look at Vinicius Junior. Enter when you hold ball. Saka they there. Timber they there. To hold on. Baba no see nothing. How many shots on goal in get? You no see nothing. Look at Rodrigo. If Rodrigo hold ball, Matthew Skelly they there. Not just Miles. Martinelli is tracking back and Martinelli has space. How you want to run out? Sometimes you will able to see that when I come back, Patterson will come back. I want to run out. Arsenal team understand when they need to play a low block, when they need to go outside. We have a balanced team with structure. Madrid, where you see they don't have a structure. Now just vibes and inshallah, and it just goes. Okay, I use space, Mbappe. It's just I just be very, very happy. Now Bukayo Saka, call the talk say we saw all the stuff that was going on social media, saying they were going to come back, but we've been able to show our mentality to let them know back remotanda without hard work is nothing. It is zero. Agbonao, I was watching TalkSport. He apologizes to Arsenal for doubting their ability to win the Champions League. When you watch the video, it's about 5 minutes long video. It say, Arsenal, you are a top team and you can win the Champions League. I apologize to you for doubting your ability, for doubting your prowess of becoming a very strong team in the Champions League, of winning. I just did ginger, my brother. Today, I just did on the your bless I just did on the highness mood, my brother. Now, TalkSport again. Put talk say Arsenal at this point should fear no one in the Champions League. Insist one of the TalkSport one, because if you can beat Real Madrid with all the aura, with all the stats, all the odds against you, if you can beat them home and away, Now then don't win the Champions League the most. But who you want on the fear now? Who you want on the fear? You see the way Real Madrid play. That is the way PSG play. PSG are not a team that plays 10 men behind the ball. They don't play low block. They come outside to express themselves, to play. These are the type of games Arsenal love to play. You see Barca. Barca are not a team that plays 10 men behind the ball. Barca are a team that comes out. You see Barca Inter Milan. I see Inter Milan beating that Barca because when it comes to Champions League, Arsenal and Inter Milan have the best defensive structure in this Champions League. I'm even seeing an Arsenal Inter Milan final. That's what I'm seeing. Inter Milan have a very, very good defense leader in Bastoni. I mean, their leader for the back. And for front, they have a certain Lautaro Martinez who strikes when they needed him the most. So now waiting me, they say, the wait is the big, but we not to go forward. We'll first tackle this PSG. Waiting for our front. We could see how the matter will be. All right, let's bring a message from one of our sponsors, Mr. Anayo, who is a real estate agent. So he has 14 plots of land that he has for sale and is located at 14 plots of land for sale at Norris Court Luxury Estate, Ohia Igbelu in Rubber Estate, back of Airport, Abara-Eche in Eche local government area of River State. So 6 plots of land did together, 4 plots did together, 3 plots did together, and 1 plot did together, and it's 1.2 million per plot. So if you're interested in this piece of property, you can call Mr. Anayo on 08032765227 or 08119329922. So if you're interested, please reach out to him. All right, so away from that, so Bukayo Saka said this is not an Arsenal team of old. They are ready to win this champion. Okay, it was Jamie O'Hara. Jamie O'Hara and I make this statement. Imagine Jamie O'Hara will say, Tottenham Hotspur fan who say this is not the Arsenal team of the old. They are ready to win this Champions League this season. It's upon they apologize to Arsenal for underrating them. Now, TNT Sports Football, when they talk about Masudi Skelly, they can talk say 18-year-old Masudi Skelly was the highest rated defender in both legs against Real Madrid. First leg, second leg, the guy was on fire. So the guy they play very, very well. It gets so kudos to Arteta for this team window assemble. Now, as a lot of people talk say there are no excuses in the 2 games. They were better than us. And honest Carlo Ancelotti gives his verdict on Madrid's defeat. Say Arsenal really dispatch them, they better than them. Now, when they call interview Martinelli can explain say that go away and score. Say now in last energy, he use run that run. You get so that was the last thing in the tank. You can find this story on the Arsenal website. Martinelli revealed that he used every last drop of his energy to score the winner to beat Real Madrid 2-1 at the Bernabeu and create a golden moment in our history. You say that was the last thing in the tank. I tried just to go in behind and pray for Merino to see me and play that ball. He found a really good pass and I was true. So I just tried to keep calm and just put it inside the goal. I'm really, really happy with that buzzing. It's really good to win this type of games against Real Madrid here at the Bernabeu. So we are really happy. In my opinion, we deserve the results at the Emirates Stadium and here as well. We know our qualities, we know our team, and I think this team, this family, will deserve it. It's something that's going to be in our hearts forever. Yes. And look at the way the Martinelli dispatched that Frank Garcia. Run past the guy, like I said, the guy didn't even did there. Now let's go to Arteta's press conference. We'll talk about some of the notable moments of the press conference. When they ask Arteta, say, whether you don't ever feel prouder of the players. I think that's probably not only because we are in the semi-final for the 3rd time in our history now, but also because of the way we did it. Not only because of the way we played, but also because of the circumstances, the amount of injuries that we had. That shows the character of the team, of this club, and it's a night to be very proud of. On Declan Rice's performance, he was decisive today in a different way. I think it was immense. His presence, the power that he showed, how composed he was, with or without the ball. I think he led the team in many moments and turned the game in our favor. I think that's why we need players at his level to step up and have a big contribution, and he certainly has done that. On what the results can give us, the feeling that we have now is our reality, basically. And in this feeling that I had before the game, when the players were transmitting and how prepared I could feel the team, that we are ready to compete against anybody. Now we have to continue to do that because I think we have some momentum now. Yes, Baba, when I enjoy, when I bask in the euphoria, because now time, feel the excitement, enjoy. When I dey pray for Ipswich because this kind of energy, the kind of momentum they carry come now, we will take and jam Ipswich for the weekend. Ipswich we go collect 5-0 because the energy really players body like this. They know the 10 person. All right, so let's move on to the next slide. So they're going to ask Arteta, say, on if we can go from challengers to winners. So he said it's certainly another massive step. Where we finished last year and the way we are doing it this year, the team with their eyes on us, with teams with their eyes on us and the competition, it's incredible. Big credit to Madrid. It was my first time as a coach in that dugout, and today I realized after 3 minutes in this stadium, anything is possible. They are specialists of creating such chaos and belief, and it's very difficult to understand really what's going on in the game and how certain certainty about how we controlled, and I think we showed a lot of maturity. Now on Bukayo Saka's character, he said I can go on and on with the individuals and a lot of different cases. I will answer in that same way, but Bukayo Saka is stepped up. He didn't score the penalty, obviously. That could be the turning point emotionally in the game because it gives him a lot of belief, but then the way he handled the situation, the way he played afterwards, and the personality that he showed at his age is the first time he has played in this stadium. Incredible. You know, say that penalty, that nobody even they talk about that. That penalty Saka miss. Nobody even they remember that one again because at the end of the day we won. If to say maybe we no can win now, people they remember, or maybe we can ja, people they remember all that thing. But at the end of the day, we won, and Incept score normal goal. Now on what tonight shows in our evolution. Arteta said it's been quite different before because it was impossible to be in any round because the club wasn't in the championship for 7 years. So what shows you the turnaround and a lot of great decisions that the club has made and the contribution a lot of people have made to be where we are? It's a team that you can feel today how hungry, how determined and ambitious this is to go. We are going for more, for sure. On what this result gives him, it's reassuring. I'm here to experience this type of games and to go through them. I know that some days you are going to win, some days you are going to lose. So be very critical with your thoughts tonight. There are things that we can still do much better, and I have to help the team to do better. The biggest pride is when I look at them and I talk to them, how convinced they feel. And that's been part of our job and of the coaches, and that's what is a joy to work with them. So I think that comes to the end of the press conference of Arteta. I just pick some areas where they say we'll talk about because the press conference long, leave everything they very, very relevant like that. Now, on what the Spanish media is saying about Matuskelly against Real Madrid. So the point talk say this guy, and the way he take play, say he's 18 years old. You get, say the guy really did very, very brave because Mundo Deportivo gave Kelly a glowing rating after watching him at the Bernabeu. They're going to describe how he didn't suffer at all because Rodrigo could not do anything to him over 2 legs. Rodrigo no get one shot on. You know what he mean to keep Rodrigo quiet? Who watch Rodrigo against Man City? Say the guy do cha. But against Arsenal, the guy was ice cold, nothing. They can't for pockets. You get for you to say defensively we sound bad. Look at what they call Carl Jenkinson they talk on Instagram. Remotanda. Because I go post Remotanda on my status. I post Remotanda. I can't put that clown face. Yes, I just put their clowns. Remotanda. All of them they talk say Arsenal this, Arsenal that. Now, for the CBS Golazo studio, after the game, they call it interview Bukayo Saka. Henry made something. Henry said, forget the penalty. Forget the goal. By the way, outstanding, and I know the feeling of scoring there, but it's what you do off the ball that impresses me, not only you and Martinelli also. That is what I say. Saka and Martinelli, their defensive work rates. Nobody fit do the way they do them. That's why I go say sometimes Martinelli know they score, but Arteta go see the player because defensively, what did that guy they do? If you know they see him, these two boys they burn a lot of energy. In fact, ESPN brought the statistics that Arsenal ran 7.5 kilometers more than Real Madrid yesterday. They ran more than them. We are ready to do the work. Don't be we ready. Wingers they come back, they track back on the help out. How many times they see Mbappe and Vinicius come back on the help? For Madrid, everybody in our Oga. That be one of the biggest problems. And it is what it is. Now, the Spanish media, we are impressed by Declan Rice yes again. They say he's everywhere. This guy, where you can get your energy, the way you play. Now, Arsenal stars aim slight dig at Real Madrid after come back to say Real Madrid are doing so much talking. They forgot how to play football. In fact, Declan Rice at some point was saying we knew we were going to win. There was a lot of talk about coming here, about Real Madrid coming back, because they've done it so many times before. But we had enough belief and confidence from the first leg that we had enough to come here. All those will come back, how far remotanda. You get. So let's look at another message from another of our sponsors, Mobile Wealth Associates and Co Limited. They are into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shop protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 6464 2234, and they're located at number 7 Ekeniwo Road, Orazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, do reach out to them. Now, away from this also, Real Madrid star, when they talk, say Arsenal get bad tactics, you get, say Arsenal no come play, say the first half, Arsenal no play anything, that's Lucas Vazquez, so Arsenal no play anything for the first half. They did almost nothing during the first half at the Santiago Bernabeu, saying na defend, we can't defend, we no come play football. Baba, welcome to the world of dark arts. If you don't hear that dark arts, so that they complain for EPA, now you don't see, you don't confirm. And funnily enough, for the first time, we don't really play them anymore. Like, I don't understand what he's saying. There will be Real Madrid, that make shot on target again for first half. 0. Off target, 0. You met a superior side that were organized, that have stable defense, that have structure. That's what you met. It isn't about this Leganes and HA where they play for La Liga. That's why they say, if they play for La Liga, we will collect the league. Where? We will win the league steady. Back I said, don't touch our back. Don't be fluke. You think say we collect the best defensive side in the EPL back to back, and this is we collect them again? You think it's a fluke? Welcome to the era of dark arts. That's what I can say to you. Now the biggest news of the day, that be the fact say Bukayo Saka is saying we can win the Champions League this season. He really feels we can do it, and yes, the momentum is with us. By beating and dispatching Real Madrid, we fear nobody. And my all of us, if you're getting value from this show, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow our program. And to do so, may God bless you. So I think it's a fine place for us to call the show an end. So till I come your way later in the evening to give the evening news to them. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Not them out. All right, guys. Ciao.